Installation and connection of the portable Aurora gas ovens. The portable Aurora gas models are shipped to our customers fully assembled and ready to use. Plug and play. All you need to do is connect the oven to the restaurant's gas supply and plug the power cord into a standard electrical outlet. Gas connection. Check that the gas pressure in your restaurant's gas system matches the specifications indicated on the oven's technical plate: 30 millibars for LPG and 50 millibars for natural gas. If your restaurant's gas system is already set to the correct pressure, you can simply connect the rubber hose directly to the restaurant's gas outlet and tighten the metal locking clamp. If the gas system is set at a higher pressure, the contractor who installed your restaurant's gas system will need to install a suitable gas pressure regulator. Electrical connection. To connect the oven to the restaurant's electrical system, first check the polarity of the power outlet using the test screwdriver included with the supplied accessories. Identify the position of the live wire. The test screwdriver light turns on, and mark it with the letter L. Check also the neutral wire. The test screwdriver light does not turn on, and mark with the letter N, so that the power plug can be inserted with the correct orientation. As shown on the power plug. Now you can turn on your oven. Turn on the main electrical power using the power button. Wait about 3 minutes to allow the oven sensors to complete all safety checks on the gas burner system. Turn on flame 1. Turn on flame 2. Your Aurora 90 oven is now ready. Thank you.